Let's take a look at the chart action for the S&P 500. Okay, so here is what I was looking at on this chart. Let's just go ahead and delete everything though, and I'll show you how I got here from scratch. We have resistance, resistance. I'm mainly watching this downtrend right here. Until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'm thinking that it might give us trouble and might keep pushing us down. The other thing I'm watching are the previous supports. We have support right here and support right here. It kind of looks like we're maybe forming a head and shoulders pattern. Let me do this a different color. Let's go ahead and do this white. So what I'm thinking is if we break this trend line going to the downside, this is going to be a bearish signal, and we could possibly, I don't know, like I was saying, it kind of looks like a head and shoulders pattern, but I don't really love head and shoulders pattern. Let's just go ahead and do a target for fun though. If we drag from the top of the head to the bottom of the shoulders, or the shoulders should I say, then we could drag this to the breakout. If we break out, we haven't really broke out decisively yet. We're still kind of hanging out in that support level right there. But if we break down and continue to head down, this is the target that I'm looking at, and this target is sitting at around 3,821. The other thing I was looking at is we had a big, huge uptrend. This is like the main reason I've been watching this chart. We had support, support. I'm watching this uptrend like this. It was a big, huge uptrend, and I've been watching this for a while because it just, I don't know, we've been chilling on this uptrend for a long time, and I was wondering when we're going to break it going to the downside. We finally broke it going to the downside right here, and ever since then, I've been kind of wondering how far we're going to push down. And like I said, I'm mainly watching this red line now because once we break this going to the upside, I think that will be a bullish signal. But we haven't done that yet, and it looks like we're kind of testing this bottom support. The other thing I've been looking at is, let's go into like the weekly time frame and zoom out a little bit. I've been watching this, I was also watching a Fibonacci retracement once we broke that trend line. So let's set up the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend, and this target, this head and shoulders target, lines up pretty perfectly with a 38% level. So I don't know, I'm kind of thinking that it might come down here, but we don't know yet. Like I said, we haven't really broken this support super decisively. So I don't know. If we delete everything though, we did break the weekly 9 moving average right here going to the downside. Let's take a look at the daily 9 moving average. Yeah, we broke the 9 moving average or we're underneath the daily 9 moving average in general. So I don't really like that per se. 4 hour, underneath the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're testing the 1 hour. I'm not sure if we're going to continue to head down or not, but like I said, these are the trend lines that I'm watching for signals that we are going to continue to head down. This one, if we break this one, I think we're going to head down lower. And if we can hold support on this support line right here, maybe we get a bounce and start breaking through. Until we break this trend line going to the upside, then I'm thinking it could give us trouble and push us down. We could probably drag this trend line going out, something like this. So yeah, until we break it going up, then I'm thinking that it could push us down further. And I'll be looking at this target from the top to the bottom of this head and shoulders, possibly something like that, if we continue to head down. If you're interested in learning more about trading, check out this video right here. It's about some of my trading strategies that I use. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, and then I'll see you in the next one.